to make Instagram Live more engaging. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for 9 to 5 employees and rookie online business owners. If you're keen to know how to make your Instagram Live more engaging, then keep on watching. First is to be authentic and be professional. The rule #1 of Instagram Live is that you need to be as genuine and as authentic as possible. What do I mean by that? That is not the time to read from a video script or turn into a salesperson. Rather, the reason people want to see you live is to see a genuine human. Especially in times like this when we are social distancing, people need that real, authentic human connective, even it needs to be attained through their iPhone screen. So how can you be the most authentic self to your audience? First is to allow yourself to show emotions. Second is to communicate as you would with a friendly worker. To clarify, I am not recommending that you start sobbing to the camera or talk about that doctor's appointment you finally had last week. Rather, allow your personality to shine through as you connect with your audience over Instagram. For instance, it's okay to talk about how COVID-19 is affecting your small business and show emotion along with that. However, going into an over-dramatized tangent may make users drop off. Be authentic while maintaining your professionalism. Second, take time to plan. While it is tempting to just hop on Instagram Live and talk to your followers about how amazing your business is, this may not go as well as you picture in your head. Instagram Live definitely has a more casual, less pre-planned feel. Yet those who do well actually plan out their live session in advance and set specific goals. Knowing how to set good goals is crucial for your social media success, and your goals for your Instagram Live are no exception. Aside from having objective in place, your format needs to be well planned and scheduled out. For instance, is your live stream going to involve Q&A, perhaps a product launch, or behind the scenes? A few other Instagram Live approaches could be to live stream an event, product preview, educational session, or an office tour. While there are endless formats you can aim for, it is also important to know that you are going to talk about to keep viewers engaged. Third, stay consistent with an ongoing series. People like consistency, especially in times of uncertainty. Whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, a consistent live stream series that your followers are excited about will boost your chances of Instagram Live success. For instance, if you are a real estate marketer, try a new on the market series where you show off some of your newest properties. Or perhaps you could do a customer stories every week. Whatever your series idea may be, leaning towards education content that your audience members typically seek out is likely the best option for something like this. Fourth, promote your live session beforehand. In addition to having a plan and consistent series, you also need to communicate this plan to your followers and leads. Instagram Live campaigns should be treated just like other in-person events, where you market them to your audience to ensure they know the when, what, where, why of your going live plan. Market your live event on other social media channels and emails, and then target these promotions to relevant audiences. For instance, if your live event might be most appealing to a specific segment of leads, create an email campaign reaching out to this group of people and build their interest. Take the example from me who promoted my live session by simply notifying my following on Instagram story a day before the live event with the details and giving my following a little sneak peek. Fifth, engage with your attendees. The other very cool feature about Instagram Live is that it allows attendees to comment in real time. While it can be great for attendees, it can be overwhelming for presenters. The thing is that you are not expected to engage with every comment, of course, and you should do your best to stay on track with your plan as we discussed in second step. Still, you should also envision this as an opportunity to really connect with your followers, whether it's a question that flows with the content of your session or acknowledging a kind comment made. Giving your users a real-time attention will make them feel special and connected to your brand. One helpful way to do this could be using another coworker to track the comment and star once to reply for the presenter. You could also do a Q&A at the end of your live session if you prefer to answer it yourself at the end. 6. Conclude with a call to action. How in the world do you end an Instagram live? Conclude the Q&A session with thank you and say bye? No, you shouldn't do that. You should always end your Instagram live with a call to action that ties directly to your objective planned out. Whether it is something as simple as following your account or more involved like filling out a form, it is critical to get your main goal accomplished and get your live attendees to complete a desirable action. Here's an example of my call to action where I said, P.S. I have a gift for you. You can visit www.clarachong.co to claim it with a bracket link that's on my bio. My followers can actually click the link on this IGTV here, but the reason why I want to specify again that the link is on my bio is because if my followers visit my Instagram profile, click on this live that I did and begin to read the description, they won't be able to click the link from here. So then they know the link is on my bio. Make sure when you mention call to action that it does not come off as overly salesy or pushy and is focused to a realistic action that you actually see attendees taking. Lastly, have fun with your Instagram live session. Remember, Instagram Live is not a serious marketing channel that involves a monotone plug for your business. Rather, Instagram is a place where people go for some fun, so ensure you are having fun as well. If you are not, your viewers will be able to tell. Allow your personality to shine through, make fun of yourself, and do not get anxious about mispronouncing a word or making a mistake. Instead, acknowledge it, laugh at yourself and move on. Your followers will appreciate the authenticity. So let loose, connect, have fun, and don't take yourself too seriously, because if you are enjoying yourself, your followers will too. I hope these tips are helpful for you. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I'll see you in the next video.